Welcome to all in this class. Today I will teach you muscular tissues. The muscular tissues form the contractile tissues. Muscular tissues are made of muscle cells. Muscle cells are elongated and large size, so they are also called muscle fibers. On the basis of their location, structure and function, there are three types of muscles. First, striated muscles. Second, smooth muscles. And third, cardiac muscles. First of all, we know about striated muscles. Striated muscles. These muscles are known as striate muscles, skeletal muscles, and voluntary muscles. Stripped muscles, when muscles fiber show alternate dark and light streak. Alternate dark and light streak, they are called stripped muscles. Alternate dark and light streak, they are called striated muscles. Skeletal muscles, when muscles fiber are attached to bone and responsible for body movement, they are called skeletal muscles. Voluntary muscles, when muscles work according to our will, they are also called voluntary muscles. As example, hand muscles, when our will to move this part, muscles, voluntary muscles. Example of voluntary muscles. We know about first type of muscles, striated muscles. Striated muscles have multinucleated cells. Multinucleated cells, more than one cells. Each cells is enclosed in thin but distinct plasma membrane. Distinct plasma membrane surrounded by a thin membrane is called plasma membrane. Called plasma membrane. This plasma membrane called sarcolemma. Sarcolemma. One question is arise: what is sarcolemma? In striated muscles, nucleus are surrounded by a thin membrane that is called sarcolemma. Now we know about occurrence and function of striated muscles. Now we know about occurrence of striated muscles. Striated muscles occurs in limb, body bulb, face, neck. Striated muscles present in tongue, pharynx, diaphragm, and upper part of esophagus. us are called visceral striated muscles. Visceral striated muscles is inner part striated muscles. Function. These muscles are powerful and undergo rapid contraction. These muscles provide the force for locomotion and all other voluntary movements of the body. Now we know third type of muscles. Yes, second type of muscles. Three type of muscles. First, straightened muscles. Second, smooth muscles. Smooth muscles. These muscles are also known as unstraightened, visceral, or involuntary muscles. Smooth muscles occurs as bundle or sheet of elongated fusiform shape. There is a single centrally cigar-shaped nucleus in cytoplasm, means cytoplasm. We know the figure of a smooth muscles. This is muscles, cigar-shaped nucleus. Sarcoplasm, liquid cytoplasm, sarcoplasm. Sarcoplasm means fibers, elongated fibers. Sarcolemma. Sarcolemma. Sarcolemma means cytoplasm. Cytoplasm. This is nucleus. 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 This is a smooth muscle. A smooth muscle. Fusiform. Cigar-shaped nucleus in cytoplasm with sarcoplasm. Occurrence. These muscles are found in the walls of hollow visceral organs. Hollow visceral organs. Visceral organs mean internal organs, but except the heart. That is why they are called visceral muscles, internal muscles. Function. Smooth muscles do not work according to our will, so they are also called involuntary muscles. These type of muscles, means smooth muscles, do not work according to our will, so they are also called involuntary muscles. Movement of food in alimentary canal, means food pipe, is involuntary movement. An example of involuntary actions, movement of food in alimentary canal. Smooth muscles provide peristaltic movement. Peristaltic movement, serially contraction and relaxation is called peristaltic. This type of motion is called peristaltic movement. Peristaltic movement in gastrointestinal tract and genital tract. Genital tract means reproductive tract. In some organs, smooth muscles produce extrusive movements. Extrusive movement. Example of extrusive movement in urinary bladder, in gallbladder and uterus. Movement in uterus, movement in gallbladder, movement in urinary bladder is called extrusive. Now we know about third type of muscles, cardiac muscles. Now we know about third type of muscular tissue, cardiac muscles. Third type of muscles, cardiac muscles. These muscles shows characteristics of both a smooth and a straightened muscles. The intercellular space within cell space, within two cell space between two cells, that is intercellular space of cardiac muscles are filled with abundant loose connective tissues supplied with blood capillaries. These muscles fibers shows densely extend cross band, intercalated disc called intercalated disc. ये intercalated disc. Occurrence these type of muscles means the cardiac muscles occurs in the walls of heart valve. Found in heart valve, any cardiac muscles occurs in the walls of heart. Function: first, cardiac muscles contract and relax rapidly, rhythmically means serially, and tirelessly throughout lifetime. The they contract easily, they contract endlessly, never end. They contract endlessly from early embryonic stage until death. Contraction and relaxation of heart muscles help to pump and distribute blood to various parts of body. We know something about cardiac muscles in Hindi. About functions. Cardiac muscles contract and relax rapidly, rhythmically, लयबद्ध तरीके से. जब अपने हार्ट का हम सुनेंगे आवाज तो लगेगा कि रिदमिक आवाज निकल रहा है, क्रमबद्ध लयबद्ध आवाज निकल रहा है. एंड ट्राइलेसली, और कभी न थकने वाला इसका मूवमेंट होता है थ्रू आउट लाइफ टाइम. दे कॉन्ट्रैक्ट इंडलेसली. एक बार कॉन्ट्रैक्शन स्टार्ट हुआ तो कभी समाप्त नहीं होगा। फ्रॉम अर्ली एम्ब्रियोनिक स्टेज, एम्ब्रियोनिक स्टेज यानी फीटस जो डेवलप किया उस स्टेज से लेकर के अंटिल डेथ, तब तक ये मूवमेंट चलते रहता है इंडलेसली। कॉन्ट्रैक्शन एंड रिलैक्शन ऑफ हार्ट मसल्स हेल्प टू पंप and distribute blood को distribute to various part of the body. So your muscles yani muscular tissues and type of muscular tissues here complete. Next day we take up next topic.
कितना टाइम 15